I will be at the Araneta today. No weapon formed against me will prosper. Ito ang mensahe ni Mr. Pure Energy Gary Valenciano ngayon araw ng Linggo, December 2022. Walang makakapigil kay Gary V na maghandog muli ng aliw at kasiyahan sa kanyang fans. Matapos sumama ang pakiramdam at isugod sa ospital, itutuloy ngayong araw ng Linggo ang Day 2 ng kanyang concert. Kinumpirma rin ito mismo ng kanyang team at sinabing, "It's a go. Today's Sunday, December 2020 show will be pushing through." Kasunod niyan ay lubos nilang pinasalamatan ang lahat ng nagdasal para sa agarang paggaling ng batikang performer, pati na rin ang Day 2 ticket buyers dahil sa kanilang understanding and patience. Anila, we apologize for any inconvenience during the standby for this announcement. The decision of Gary came with much prayer. We will see you later tonight, 8 p.m. at Smart Araneta Coliseum for Gary V Pure Energy one more time. Magugunitang biglang inihinto ang pagtatanghal ni Gary V noong Biyernes Disyembre 20 dahil sa health concern. Nagpaalam pa nga si Gary V sa gitna ng kanyang concert at inamin sa audience na hindi na maganda ang kanyang pakiramdam. Dahil diyan, biglang dumating ang ilang medical personnel upang i-assist ang veteran singer sa pag-alis sa entablado. Hindi naman nagtagal nang mag-post ang kanyang misis na si Angeli Pangilinan upang magbigay ng detalye tungkol sa kalagayan ng asawa. "Don't worry guys, Gary is okay, just dehydrated. He vomited about 8 times today. But I'm here with him and he's just weak," saad niya sa isang FB post. Pahayag pa niya, "Sa mga fans, salamat. God is good. We love you all." Kahapon nagkaroon ulit ng update si Angeli at tiniyak niyang maayos na ang lagay ni Gary V. Sugar okay, BP okay, creatinine okay, he's okay, just weak from all the throwing up. From the stage to the stretcher is what happened but he is okay now. Just weak, pagbabahagi niya sa post. May naikwento rin si Angeli na tila may pumipigil sa pagtatanghal ng kanyang mister dahil marami pa raw ang nangyari bago at pagkatapos ng concert. P.S. After his concert, a drunken driver bumped his van. Such is life. 3 hours before the concert, his tech director broke his arm. Our accountant, too. His driver got into an accident, too, which rendered him on leave for 4 weeks, and Gary drove and parked his car everywhere. Kwento niya. May mga pagtatangka pa raw na naisirain ng kanilang diwa, pero aniya, we will not be broken. If he is for us, who can be against us? Samantala sa latest post ng isa sa dancer ni Gary V na si Joshua Zamora ay ipinakita niya ang naganap na rehearsal para sa concert ni Gary. Makikita na nasa mabuti itong kalagayan. Masigla at di makikitaan ng anumang sinyales na may dinaramdam. During our tech run yesterday, no signs of illness or anything, just seeing and witnessing Mr. Pure Energy leaping and shouting for joy. Let us continue to pray for his recovery. May the strength of the Lord be with you, Sir Gary Valenciano, aniya sa kanyang post.